managed to pick up my backpack. Everything's intact and looks like everything's good. It doesn't fit right because it's puffy. It's all sliding around a little bit. The Marta station is right here, so let's hit that. I guess it's 50 minutes on the Marta to where we need to go. So it's half the time of the flight. Let's get going. Well, hello there. I am heading towards Target. I just walked by the RI. The Marta is not bad. It's the Metropolitan Atlanta something Transit Authority. But yeah, it's actually much easier than I thought, and it was much quicker than I thought. Google said 50 minutes, but it did wind up being 50. But I'm gonna head to Target because I just need a few things like water bottles and a bag of Fritos. I just walked by REI. It would have been nice if I could have just gone to REI first and then got picked up at Target. But my shuttle is gonna meet me at REI, so I'm just gonna hurry on and grab my stuff and get back. I'm kind of out of breath doing a power walk thing. I've also got my phone kind of wrapped up because I don't know who might be watching. I heard like thefts of all kinds are on the rise, and especially in cities and high dollar items. So yeah, let's go to Target and head back to REI and then get to, look at this day. I'm not even wearing a jacket. I'm warm right now because I got my base layer on. It's just beautiful. No clouds, super clear, sunny day. It was a good day to start today. But I'll be starting tomorrow when it's gonna be much more overcast and colder. In fact, the flight took 20 minutes less time than they thought. I'm guessing because of the northern winds, because it's all blowing in right now and it's gonna be really cold for the next 2 days. But what are you gonna do? I have stories to tell, right? It's what I wanted. So, oh, here's the Target sign. Bummer. They just have like weird flavored Fritos, no plain Fritos. My favorite. Okay, I'm at REI now. It's not too far to walk actually. It's really nice. And there's even an AT&T pretty much in the same parking area as REI. So if you're international and need a SIM, you can just come here, go to the REI, go to the AT&T, as long as it's during the daytime. I'm gonna go inside. My shuttle is a little delayed, so I have about 30 minutes to spare. So I might go eat there. It's so beautiful outside. I'm sweating right now. I wore my base layer because I thought it'd be cold. I am sweating and it's so sunny. Yeah, but I'm gonna enjoy today. I don't care that he's delayed at all. It's gonna be the last nice day for a few more days, so it's pretty nice. Let's go into REI and get a fuel canister. I won't record in there. Look what's at the same corner. Tips, treats, cookie delivery. We have to have cookies delivered now. I went to HBH company. I guess it's like ham something, honey baked ham. And I got their ham sandwich, classic. They advertise they have the best ham anywhere or in the world, but it's actually super good ham. A little pricey, like $8.50 for a little sandwich, but it's pretty good ham. I'd be happy with like a few slices just by themselves. So I'll lead up. My shuttle driver is not going to be here for another 25 minutes or so, so it gives me some time. It's beautiful out here, and I'm just wearing a shirt with the base layer and nothing else, and it's a pretty nice day out, pretty nice. You know what's really special for a thru hiker is opening a brand new smart water bottle. They're so shiny and clean, and here's that snap. Oh. Don't do that. Okay, here. Crap. Oh man, I got water everywhere. But nice and clean. Oh, my pants are all wet. Oh. All right. Let's wipe myself down here. This should be proof that I have not opened a new smart water bottle in a long time. I should have held it in the bottom, not in the middle, and squished it out. Now I look like a trashy person. I have water all over both legs. It's horrible. You know, I just realized the GoPro has horizon leveling as one of the features. And it works nicely because you can put it on a crooked surface, but it still keeps it level. Right now my tripod's buried in my backpack, so I have no access to it. In case you're wondering, the face I just made there is my tripod packed in there? but I'm pretty sure it is because I remember wrapping the ball head. I hope it's in there. On my way here from Target, my backpack was making weird noises, and I was like, is this the new clip I'm using? Is it something? And I kept looking around, and I was holding things and trying to see if it stopped shaking or stopped making a noise, but then I found out that it was this airline tag, actually. It was rubbing, making all that noise. A tiny little thing was making me kind of, not freak out, but made me work at it, trying to find out what it was, but I'm gonna take that guy off. I don't need that anymore. I'm in a shuttle right now. This is Ron from Ron's Shuttle.
Hey guys! He's
telling me about the approach trail and water sources and whatnot, and looking at the map, and I think he's trying to scare me off of this or something. He said there's like 7 miles with no water, which is still, I mean, that's a lot better than 30, so I'll take it. But we should be hitting there, I don't know how much longer do you think?
About an hour.
About an hour more, we'll be at the lodge. Here's the lodge. Made it here. Ron showed me around, like how to walk down to the visitor center and whatnot, and where to get water once we're at the top of the stairs. But we're ready to go, and it's cool being here for the first time, actually seeing it in so many videos. And here it is. Here's my room. First look. Wow. Oh, one thing you can't see because the light from the window is washing it out. Look at all those mountains. Wowzers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can see a zigzag of roads below. Holy cow. Wow. From the restaurant area, there is a patio and stairs that go down to a bigger patio. And we're just gonna come out here and watch the sunset. Off to the right, seems like a clear area set up over there. There's not too many people out here. There's only a few people on the patio, and the sunset's gonna be beautiful. I think coming here during a low tourist time is just the right thing to do. I bet it's a zoo out here when it's actually like April or so. The sunset's gonna be awesome. I mean, just look at these clouds. It's a great way to start the hike, you know? It may be hard to see, but there's actually some sundoggy type action right there. Going up. I don't see the other end though. What's funny is I was sitting here thinking is all these rooms get a view of the sunset, faces it perfectly. Second floor up, you have to see it through a window. First world problems, huh? But the first floor people have a little balcony and they could sit out. So I bet they cost more, but the first one's the way to go. Sitting here looking at the sunset, I haven't been super excited yet, but now I can't wait to get started. Finally, less than 14 hours from starting, I'm building up the excitement and sitting here saying goodbye to the sun. It feels like I had a long distance relationship to the sun, and then now I finally got to see it again, and I'm telling it goodnight, and I'll see it again tomorrow. And the day after that, and the day after that, we're gonna have our relationship back again. Feels good. I'm gonna be super happy when I see it the next time, which might be in a couple days. But it feels good. It feels really good. I forgot how cold this tripod gets when it's cold, but it was a beautiful sunset. It's now time to head inside and sort out my gear and put everything where they should be. Right now everything's in flight mode, where you just take all the lithium batteries out. But now, look at the color still over there. It's So good to be back. Here's my bed. Well, here's a bed. I have mostly empty bed over here. But I have some snacks here. That's dinner. But yeah, everything's basically emptied out. I'm repacking it right now. Just taking out things that shouldn't have been in the bottom. And earlier, just everything was inside, including the trekking poles. But now everything's out. And I'm charging everything, topping everything off. Just has to last me 3 nights, 4 days. And I put everything back in. And then we're ready to go. Ready to go. Try not to get a reflection. I hope I didn't get a reflection. I'm just in my shorts, but it looks like I'm in my underwear or something. I guess I should never worry that you might see me in my underwear because I don't have any underwear.